Hi everyone, my name is Virginia Dwan, also known as Mandarin Mama. I host a podcast called the Noona Army Podcast, where I discuss the particular aspects and challenges of being a middle-aged BTS fan. I'm the entertainment editor for Mochi Magazine, as well as a freelance writer, and the founder of Brazen Asian, which is an intimate retreat for Asian Pacific Islander, Desi, American creatives and influencers. Today, I'm so excited. It's FESTA in Korea. And here, I guess. And they just released, for 2020 Festa, Airplane Part 2, the summer version, 2018 summer package in SAIPAN. And I'm super excited because I love Airplane Part 2. I do actually have a reaction video to Airplane Part 2, but it's on my, at the moment, I can't remember what it's called. But it's not on YouTube because it's the Japanese version, and the Japanese copyright rules are a lot stricter. So I'm super excited because now I can react to Airplane Part 2. It's a super, super sexy song. I just love it. It's just, and they're so young. It's 2 years ago. They're in like summer gear. We see their legs. I'm really excited just from the stills. So here we go. Oh my god, they're so cute. Look at Yoongi fake laugh. Oh my god! They look like such frat boys. I'm so excited. Jen. Oh, please don't fall. Ah! It's so hot. Oh, look at Yoongi just staring at Jimin. That's awesome. Oh, Hobie. Oh, Hobie. Ah. Ah. That's actually my favorite part of the choreo. Yoongi's face. Oh! To be Jimin? To be the shirt? To be Yoongi? I just don't know. He's here in the chair? What are you doing? Blonde Jin is so powerful. I love him. I love him. They're so cute. They're so cute. They're so cute. Ah! I feel like with everything that's going on, it was a nice break. And they look so young. I mean, it's 2 years ago, but still, they look so young. Not only do they look so young, they also don't look that different. So, I mean, they pretty much always look young. Blonde Jin is a vision. Blonde Jin. Oh. Oh. I feel like the reason why it's so... I mean, of course, everyone... I'm not going to be upset if they go, like, super hard and they're, like, super sexy and, like... But I feel like it's these moments, like, this type of video that really seal the deal for me, like, of why... They just look like young people having fun and, like, having a good time, enjoying music, and that... Like, I find that these videos are actually more dangerous than, like, when they go, like, super hard and are, like, in concert doing, like, Pied Piper or something like that. Because that's not, like, super relatable other than the sense of, like, you're paying artists to watch them, and of course they're going to be sexy and hot. But it's when they're, in the backyard pool and you're like, oh, maybe, like, I feel like these types of videos fuel, like, delusional thinking. Like, oh yeah, sure, even though I hate water, even though I hate the sun, we could totally, even though no one I ever know in my whole entire life is this attractive and hot, let alone 7 of them, we could totally have met at a pool party, right? Oh, they're totally normal. I could totally see them at my local country club or whatever, right? Like, so I find that sometimes these types of videos are even more, like, devastating and painful because they're funny, they're cute, they're, like, regular, I'm sure they have makeup on because, they're being filmed, but they just look like regular dudes. And I know they're regular dudes, but it's even more painful when you realize they're regular dudes. And then it's just so great. I just like to see them have fun. So now I'm going to watch it like a million more times, because at least 7. You always have to watch everything at least 7 times because there's 7 members. And it just pays to be thorough, to, like, pay attention. I feel like they deserve that respect. So please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time.